wing. Okay, down in 3 green, that indicates that our landing gear is down and locked. That's always what you want to see before you land. Now, when we take off and we're starting to climb up, as soon as we get a positive rate of climb, we want to lift our gear up. So we select this knob here to up, and then what we should do is see these 3 greens go out, which means the gear is not down and locked, it's unsafe at that point. And then we should see this red light here go on in transit. And then once the gear is completely up and locked, the transit light will go out and the down and 3 green lights will be extinguished. So this whole area will be dark. That's a good up cycle. In addition to verifying that the gear light indication system is working properly, we also want to check a safety feature that's tied to the throttle, and I'll kind of walk you through it. Normally, when you're landing, you pull back the throttle to idle. Now, if you pull back the throttle to idle and your gear is not down and locked, you're going to get a horn. That horn's going to tell you go around because your gear is not down and locked, and you don't want to belly landing on the runway, obviously. So we're going to check this system. So we're going to keep the throttle in idle. We're going to bring the gear to the up position, which then will take it out of the down and 3 green, which is the safe landing position, put it into transit, and we should get a warning horn. And then as we advance the throttle up, that horn should turn off. That safety switch is tied to the pitot-static system, the airspeed indicator in particular. And so when you're traveling down the runway, or if you're flying, you're indicating airspeed, and that's closing a switch, and that's tied to the gear system. And so that's how it knows if you're in idle and you're moving through the air and your gear is not down, that's a bad configuration. You get the warning horn. Okay, so it's time to test it out.